Hey guys, today we're gonna get Bill running again. Bill is our friend's 1999 Corolla. It has not been started in 6 months. The battery is completely dead and the Foxwell BT715 cannot detect a voltage at all. So we have decided to jump it with my CRZ, but after 30 minutes this is the result. Time for a new battery. First we have to pull the hood release lever. Lift up the hood and support it with a hood prop rod. Use a 10mm wrench, or I used an adjustable wrench here to remove the negative and positive battery terminals. After that, you should be able to wiggle the battery terminals loose. Also use a 10mm wrench and remove the bolts securing the battery clamps. The OEM battery that came with the car is Group 26R, but I was not able to find the Group 26R battery at Costco. My research shows that the Group 35 battery is also compatible. It's a bit larger, but the original Group 26R had a plastic block that raises the old battery's height, so we will just install the new battery without the height boosting block. I'm test mounting the battery clamps without the battery to show you guys where the hook goes. Place the new battery into the battery tray. Install the battery clamped and secure it with a 10mm wrench. Reinstall the negative and positive battery terminals to the new battery with a 10mm wrench. Bill now starts perfectly fine with the new battery. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.